Hi, Catalina here. It's April 6th. I want to come with three really brief student loan policy updates. Number one, the US Department of Ed is investigating President Biden's ability to actually forgive debt. Number two, I want to talk about family educational loans, also being put on pause, similar to direct loan holders. And lastly, I want to talk about the borrower's education fund that President Biden has replenished. So first and foremost, the Department of Ed right now is investigating President Biden's legal authority to actually forgive student debt through an executive order, and if that's even possible. They're really investigating the Higher Education Act and the ability for the president to have authority over the Higher Education Act, which established a lot of these federal loan programs, okay? The debate is like how much to forgive, can he forgive it? But here's what I have to say. Under President Obama, we established a lot of loan forgiveness programs. What I'm trying to tell borrowers right now is there's already a lot of loan forgiveness programs that you can qualify for. And the biggest mistake borrowers can make is to not try to figure out what they should be enrolling in until after September. The reason that's a mistake is because right now, if you enroll in a program that will reduce your payment once we get kicked into repayment based on your income, or for loan forgiveness program, you can get these 18 months counted towards loan forgiveness. What that means is, let's say your payment's $500. Instead of paying the $500, you can get these $0 payments counted towards forgiveness, which means you can actually get 18 months of payments forgiven instead of taking $500 of 18 months of 500 or whatever your payment is and tacked to the end of your repayment period. So it's really advantageous for you to consider filing into these programs now and not wait for President Biden or understand what the forgiveness programs are going to be. You could just file into the existing ones and still get the benefits of thousands of dollars of relief. Number two, I want to talk about FFEL loan holders. If you have FFEL loans, President Biden has extended the relief until September for FFEL loan holders as well, which means they don't have to make payments. They can be taken out of wage garnishment or be put in forbearance as well, right? But here's what I have to say. If you're in bad standing, regardless of whether you have FFEL or direct loans, you really need to consider using these $0 payment months to get into loan consolidation or rehabilitation and get yourself into good standing, because you could still qualify for the $0 payments. But at the end of this period under which you rehabilitate your loans, you can now be in good student loan standing, which means you can access other credit products, include buying a house, buying a car, whatever other credit products you want access to. You will likely have issues if your student loans are in bad standing, because student loans are considered senior debt. So if that is you and you need assistance, it's best to not wait until you have to actually make payments on your student loans, or you get put back into collections to figure out your situation. Now is the time to act, because you want these $0 payments to count towards getting into good standing, if that makes sense. If you need more details on this, please do not hesitate to reach out, because these outcomes can be life-changing in terms of actually getting yourself into better student loan standing, okay? And 1 out of 5 Americans are not in good standing. So if that's you, do not feel bad, okay? Lastly, we've had a few people ask us about the Borrower's Defense Act, okay? President Biden has just replenished the funds because there's 71,000 people on the wait list. These are individuals who filed a dispute saying they went to a for-profit college or their college defrauded them and they didn't receive the outcomes they should have. If you have a case with evidence and can support filing and to join the line, the Borrower's Defense Act, of course, we may be able to answer some questions around that as well. Either way, our student loan advisors are on standby to help you really get the answers you need that your CPA might know, your certified financial planner may not know, and your lender may not know, right? We answer the questions in this space that's kind of voided, right? Your loan servicer may not give you all the details you need to build the best case for yourself either. So that is why we're here. Let us know if we can help. Check us out, myloansense.com, and let us know if you have questions. We're eager to answer them. Have a great rest of your week.